Hey guys, I'm gonna do me 541. I'm doing a review of the. Now you remember? Yeah. This that's what I wanted to show you. Now I'm gonna stack. Alright, get these pieces and stack them. So I'm gonna stack. It'll be 501. Yeah, I'm gonna stack it. Stack. I'm stacking. Yep, bad enough. So there you go. Now you get this. You put your this big square piece. Put it like put it like this. Yeah, put that piece. No, you're gonna have to get this piece. Jump. So now I got my stuff. So look at that. Show you more on be like. You only get flat pieces. Yeah, just put it like this. And put it like random. Or you just change it. So I'm gonna check it off. I'm gonna check it off. So I found it. And I put it on. So there we go. Very chuck. So nice minifig. And like people stand out there. Oh yeah, the seat. Let me put a seat. Put some minifig out. So there's what minifig we get. So I'm going to put itself out. You take the wolf off. And you can put another seat right in there. So I got it. So I am done. Hope you like this. Subscribe. It's pretty cool. You can put like stuff. And put stuff in there. You know, so you don't need. You only need 2 seats. Too many things. So you can take that seat. Or if you want 2 seats, 3 seats, you can put 3 seats. I don't want 3 seats, so I'm not gonna put it. And this is really cool to me. Yep. So there's Chuck. I'm not done. Oh, it's not over yet. So there you go. Then you got one of these pieces. Put it. Well, you don't have to if you don't want to wear it. I'm just gonna go so it can be tall. Wolf. Yep. So I can tall wolf. Make like however you want it to. So there's my truck. hold me. Or you just take this off. So, bye. Subscribe here. Bye.